Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DocuSign eSignature templates with embedded signing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure DocuSign eSignature templates with embedded signing, begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the Templates section in the main menu. Click on New to create a new template. Select Use a template from the drop-down options. Upload the document you wish to use as a template. Once uploaded, click on Next to proceed. Add a name for your template in the designated field. You can also include a description to help identify the template later. Now, set the recipients for your template. Choose Add Recipient, then select the recipient type as Embedded Signer. Enter the recipient's name and email. Next, specify the signing order if needed. Click Next to access the document editor. Use the tools provided to drag and drop fields such as signature, date, and text boxes onto the document. Make sure to assign each field to the correct recipient. You can adjust the properties of each field by clicking on it. After placing all necessary fields, click on Save and Close. Review the template to ensure all details are correct. Once satisfied, select Save and Publish to make the template active. You can now use this template for future transactions. To send the document for embedded signing, go to the Send an Envelope section. Select the template from your saved templates. Add the recipients as embedded signers. Customize any additional message before sending if desired. Click Send to initiate the signing process. Once the envelope is sent, track the signing progress in your DocuSign account. After all parties have signed, you will receive a notification and access to the completed document. This concludes the detailed guide on configuring DocuSign eSignature templates with embedded signing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.